Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's a Startline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 70 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a quick walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. To the front of the Startline, you will notice a dark grey front bumper. It's also fitted with two nice chrome strips in the centre grille. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that this van is fitted with 16-inch steel wheels with VW centre wheel covers. Moving up to the mirrors, you will notice that the mirror caps and door handles are black. Also, the mirrors on this van are heated. This is ideal for cold winter months. To this side of the van, you will notice a manual sliding door. Moving into the load area, you will notice a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. As I pan the video around, you will notice the load area is fully wood ply-lined, including the floor. At the back of the Transporter, you will notice a tailgate without window. Moving across the rear bumper, you will see reverse parking sensors. As we move up, you will notice standard rear tail lights. On the rear tailgate, you will notice a Transporter badge and the VW emblem in the centre of the tailgate. This van is painted in Ascot Grey, which is a solid colour. And now for a look inside the interior. The interior cab is fitted with a leather-wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. Moving to the back of the van, you will notice the bulkhead. You'll also notice 3 comfortable seats in double grid cloth. Also, the driver's seat has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. This now has finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. Down here, you will see the headlight switch. Moving back to the steering wheel, you will see multimedia controls. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This van has covered 4,406 miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. If I go back into the audio section, I'd like to show you that you can change the radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which are down here with a 12-volt socket. This system is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system is also fitted with App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your mobile phone. My favourites at the moment is Waze for maps and my downloaded music app. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice a park distance control for your rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice the heater controls. This van is fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. And now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's a Startline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 70 plate Transporter, please call 0121 514 0632, and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. You could also ask the salesperson to book a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer if needed. And thank you for watching.